Alright y'all, so quick video on Bitcoin and what's been going on with Bitcoin. Since I've done the video on Ethereum, I just thought I just want to be fair across the board with the cryptocurrency. So a lot of people, I've been like going through Facebook and I've seen a lot of people posting that Bitcoin has bottomed or Ethereum has bottomed and it's time to buy. It's clear to see that a lot of people just really don't understand market structure. Based on the video that I dropped a while back on Bitcoin and Ethereum, this structure is still following a harmonic. So like I say, the market moves in harmonics, and we started really getting into this trade as a sell. Like I knew this was coming down, and I was kind of warning people on Facebook that Bitcoin was gonna drop, but we kind of knew that this was a sell based on the actual formation of the structure of market. So back when in November 15th, I said y'all see Bitcoin, told y'all Bitcoin caught the butterflies. So to everyone who are in, these are all codes for everyone who's in the Discord group, who understand what that means, that whenever I post anything caught the butterflies, that typically just means that it caught the harmonic, the butterfly harmonic. So this right here was a butterfly formation, a butterfly harmonic. Let me see if I can draw it out. I'm not going to draw it out because you got to get the course to even see what I'm talking about. So this was a butterfly harmonic, and remember it was November 15th that I said this, and this was November 15th right here. Right there, November 15th. So from there, I already knew that it was going to drop, right? And not only that, me seeing what I'm seeing, I also see a formation here for a shark harmonic to start forming. So me knowing this, I know what's going to happen. I can predict that it's going to drop. So a lot of people are like, oh my God, how did you even know? But you can predict it when you understand how the market moves. This is why I say learn your harmonics, grab the course, learn the harmonics. If not, at least learn market structure, because market structure on the higher time frame of crypto will never lie to you. As you can see right here, structure was broken, but it never went anywhere. And then if you understand the candlesticks, the formation that it actually painted was showing you that it was reversing. So now not only do we have a nice setup for a downtrend, this is a strong downtrend. So we can't say, oh, this, like a lot of people thought this right here was when Bitcoin was going up, and all it did was hit this, this order block and came back down. So, and now it's easy for you to see what's happening if you just draw Fibonacci and where it bottom at around this zone right here, where it actually where it bottom at, that zone right there is a zone that you need to look for. If this ends up crossing this zone, then we're basically going into Bitcoin hell. So it's a reminder, it's not time to buy. Don't buy Bitcoin. If you're a cryptocurrency trader and you buy crypto, do not buy Bitcoin yet. It's not time to buy it yet. I'm not a financial advisor. You don't take my advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I would not buy Bitcoin yet, because this is still a strong downtrend, and it's still gonna push down. What a lot of people who do trade Forex or whatever, like all cryptocurrency traders, I highly recommend you start learning how to read the charts and stop listening to people online. Stop listening to to, you know, even the news, they don't know what's going on with crypto. But if you can read the charts, you can kind of see what's going to happen before it happens. So at least learn market structure. So at least grab the market structure course, or go learn it somewhere. Like, learn market structure, because that'll give you a lot of insight as to what's going on. Same thing with Shiba. I predicted what Shiba did. Same thing with Ethereum, predicted that. XRP predicted that, because the charts don't lie, right? So now, so, you know, it's sad to see a lot of people buy here only to have it reversed. And there's a lot of paid groups and groups that, you know, people are paying people for advice when it comes to buying crypto, and they're telling them to do certain things, and it's going totally against what needs to be done. So please learn this stuff yourself. And if you're trading cryptocurrency, focus on a higher time frame market structure, because that's what's important. That's what's important. The higher time frame market structure. All that other stuff that y'all looking at trying to get quick money, it's not gonna fly. It's not. And so market structure, once you understand market structure to its core, and you understand that you could break it down and simplify it, you'll be able to trade everything from cryptocurrency, Forex, to even stocks. So, you know, I've traded stocks with using market structure. If we look at Tesla, you can see what's going on with Tesla as well. All this right here was predicted in a way because of market structure and Fibonacci. So now understand what the market, the structure of the market, what it's showing you, and how, and what it's reading, what it's giving you. Like all of this right here, this structure reversal right here, you could have bought Tesla here on whatever platform that you use to buy stocks. Just by understanding what you're seeing on the charts, this right here, this nice formation here, and this, you know, bottom out here, and then this retracement, and you could even draw on a Fibonacci retracement, and then you could just taken this up, and you could have bought Tesla here and got out right here, because you would have known why to get out there, right? So this is it's once you learn the skill of actually reading the charts, you start, you know, getting into, you know, being able to see what people don't see, being able to see everything on a technical standpoint and not just a fundamental standpoint. So I guarantee something happened around March 15th, March 16th, that had Tesla, the news said Tesla did something that caused it to run up or whatever. Let's see if we could find something. If we could find something, then we can correlate the fundamentals, add it together with the technicals to have a balanced analysis and balanced bias. Let me see something. Hold on. Alright, so now if we look here on the motleyfool.com or fool.com, if we take a look here, this article was written on the 17th of March, right, 2022. Remember, Tesla was showing on the 15th, 16th, and 17th it was rising. Now, they did not know what was going on. Tesla pulled a bond offering. Is that good news? Stock moved higher on Thursday afternoon, rising 3.6 through 225. The stock's third straight day of price gains. That's kind of strange, given that the big news on Tesla today isn't exactly good news. So they don't even know what's going on. But then if we look at the actual charts based on market structure and analyzing this, we know exactly what's going on. I can tell you exactly what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I could dissect this. It bottomed out, came up. We have a Fibonacci retracement. Boom. Nice little zone here. If I go down to a lower time frame, I know why it came down to that zone based on what I teach. And then what's going to happen, right? So now what we have is a harmonic that's being formed. So now, seeing this, I would already know what's happening. On a technical aspect, I know what's going on. And I know this is a nice setup for a actual
I'm not gonna draw everything out because that's in the course, but for the actual harmonic to be drawn. So me knowing this, I could have bought, you know, Tesla around the 17th, or even going down to a lower time frame, right? I could have bought in early. And ran this all the way up to meet the actual harmonic that was drawn, and it sold my stock at around this zone. So everything that's being taught is not just Forex. And this is why I keep telling people, what I teach is a skill that if you learn, you'll be able to capitalize off crypto, capitalize off Forex, capitalize off stocks. If you have the patience, because stocks may take longer for them to actually do nice formations. It go day by day. Day by day is probably the best way to trade it long term. But you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it is. So yeah, so if you want the course, if you want the market structure courses, the link is down below in the description. If you want the Harmonics course, the link is also down in the description. There's a lot of courses that are being released. I'm going to release a lot of information this year, and I'm trying to get everyone on board to get into understand what's really going on with these charts, because I see a lot of dumb information everywhere from people who don't know what they're doing. So yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have questions, comment. If you want me to do a video on a specific pair or whatever, or specific topic, comment, let me know, and let's get it. Look at this. This was a beautiful move, man. This was beautiful. This was so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Let me go back to Bitcoin. But like I said, do not buy Bitcoin yet. Don't listen to these people online telling you buy the dip, buy the dip. It's not time yet to buy the dip. It's still dipping. Don't buy the dip while it's dipping. You know what I'm saying? That's suicide. So yeah, one love, y'all. Big fish.